Hi, this is Akashani watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you if you are facing this kind of noise issue in your laptop, so how you can fix. So maybe you are already irritated with this sound, so I quickly muted, and now I will show you the solution without wasting your time. So I will take you to the laptop screen. So I have installed Windows 11, and even after that I'm facing this issue. It is not related to OS. I will show you that. So if you check the driver update, you will not see any driver pending update here. Basically you need to update your BIOS driver and check. That's the first step. So if you check for few updates, maybe you will see under advanced over here, under optional update you will see few drivers are pending, so download those. Maybe BIOS update will also complete from here, but if it is not happening from here, then in that case you can go to browser and search. For my case it is a HP laptop, so mostly maybe you are facing the issue with the HP, or if it is any other laptop, so just go to that website. For me it is HP, so if I search HP laptop driver, so for me this is the first URL. So if I open, then I have to select laptop or desktop, so I will select a laptop here, and then I need to enter the serial number over here, and if I search, then it will show all the drivers. So basically I have to download the BIOS driver and install. So after doing that also my issue not got fixed, so I will move to next step. So if it is working for you, okay. If not, then you have to follow this. If you are comfortable to open the laptop, you can do that, or you can go to the vendor and fix the issue. As you can see, there are huge dust inside the laptop, so near the fan and processor and this heatsink, it is completely packed, so we need to clean it. So let me clean one by one. So it may take some time, so I will quickly clean it. Or if you want, you can paste the cooling paste also if you have that, but don't take risk if you are not ready to do it, or if you are not expert in this field. So just see the video, or if you want, you can go to the vendor and fix it. It may take some time. So you can see the condition over here. Because of this dust, it was making noise. So it is fully cleaned now. Now I will show you the final status. Now the issue is resolved, and now it is not making any noise. It is working perfectly fine. So if you are also facing the issue, if you are okay, then do it at home, or you can go to vendor and fix the issue. So if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.